Hey guys, welcome back with the additional uh, a lot of extra Sudokus we have here in today's newspaper of Monday, December the 7th, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, 1 tectonic, two tectonics, 1 binary, 2 binaries. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I won't do them all, I only do 4 of them. Sudoku with 3 stars I will do. Sudoku with 4 stars I will do. A tectonic and a binary I will do. And the first Sudoku is a 3-star Sudoku. This will be number 9080. Yes. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. You can check if I'm right or wrong. Alright, so let's get started. We see an 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for an 8 should be there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for an 8 should be there. Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, so no 8 in those two boxes. Then 8, no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this column, and 8 in that column. So the middle column, the only 3 places for an 8 should be here, or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for an 8 should be there. I cannot continue with the 8. How about the 4 in this row, 4 in the third row? So in the row between the second row, the only place for a 4 should be there. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4s in those two boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then, cannot continue with the 4. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column? One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 2 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, only place for 2 should be there. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in those two boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 6, 5, 3 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 5, should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. Let me mark those for you. 6, 9, and a 7. Yes. 6. Alright. So 1, 1. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle a row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So in the column between, only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And then let me see. The 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. No, 6, 7, and a 9. 6, 7, and a 9. Alright. Let me see. We have a pair here, I believe. 2, 2, 1, 1. 2, 2, and 6, 6. Yes, we have a pair. We see here 2 and a 6 in this column, 2 and a 6 in the middle column. So in that column, the only two places for the 2 and a 6 should be here as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Alright. 5, 5, 5. 3. Yes, 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the row below the third row, the only place for 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 8, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for an 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in the third row. We have here 1 and a 6, so 1 box left in this row, the third row, for the number 7. 1 is missing in this big square. 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. So the 1, the 6, and the 9. 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Wait. 1. Yes. In this row, the middle row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. Here 1, no 1 in that box, so 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 6. 2 boxes left in the middle row, the 9 and the 7. 9 and the 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column. We have here 2 and a 6. This should be a 4. 4 is missing in this column. Yes, the 4. Alright, these 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 2 is missing, the 6 is missing in this big square, and the 7 is missing. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Okay, 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 is missing in this big square. Alright, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 6 and the 7. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 3 boxes. There 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9. Here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, the third column, so the column between, only place for a 9 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in the last column, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So the 4, the 5, and the 7 are missing here. 1 box left in this column for number 7. 4, 7, and a 5. These 3, 1, 2. The 3 is missing. The 4 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5 are missing in this big square. We have 3 and a 5 here. So 1 digit left should be the 4. The 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 boxes left in the second column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. So the 2 should be in one of those 2 boxes. 2. Alright. 2, 6, and the 7. 2, 6. Here we have a 7. We have 3 missing numbers here. The 2, the 6, and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, so no 7 there. The only place for a 7 should be there. 2 and a 6 are left. 2 and a 6, I cannot fit this yet. These 2 numbers, 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. 1 and 6. 5, the 9, what, 8, the 3, the 4. Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 6. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 1 box left in the last row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this can be 6 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 6 in this second column. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be 1 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second one, a Sudoku with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.